solution deployed with it, and you get information also about the cost you're going to get if you're going to deploy that CloudFormation template, and if you're going to use and use resources in general. Obviously, all of these solutions were implemented by following the AWS well-architected design principles. So, folks, what are your next steps? My suggestion is learn at your pace, connecting to the AWS Skill Builder digital platform, and take a look at our digital trainings that talk about the AWS well-architected framework. Otherwise, you can learn from AWS experts like me. I deliver, for example, the AWS well-architected best practices training, during which you learn, you get an overview about the framework, about every single pillar and the related design principles, and then for every pillar you get the chance to do a lab where you can test your skills on how to improve an architecture for a specific pillar. So it's a pretty practical training, by the way. There are also our ramp-up guides that you can find in AWS. Search for AWS ramp-up guides, AWS well-architected framework in your favorite search engine, and you will find the ramp-up guide you're looking for. A PDF document with a list of trainings in a specific order you should attend to learn with the proper pace and in the proper way this topic. There are a bunch of QR code that you can use also now with your phone to get what? To get the URL to see and log into the AWS Skill Builder platform, and also to the AWS certifications main web page, where you can see all the information you may need about AWS certifications. Folks, before I leave you, let me just show you two things. The first one is the AWS well-architected framework documentation website. So we are within the docs.aws.amazon.com website, and if you digit AWS well-architected framework documentation in your favorite search engine, you will end up on this main page, and this is the AWS well-architected framework documentation, at least the main documentation. I can increase the size of the screen if you need, and you get an introduction. If you scroll down, you see the list of the pillars, and if you scroll down again, you will see the general design principles, the ones I mentioned before. And if you click on the left, the pillars of the framework, you can see each single pillar. For example, I can click on security, and for every pillar, you see the design principles, definition, best practices, and additional resources. If I click for